There are new requirements in effect tonight, and not following them could result in a fine or put your driver's license in jeopardy. Good evening, I'm Craig DeGrelli. The law began with the new year, but do parents really understand it? Reporter Alex McClune explains the changes. Alex.
Well, Craig, at first thought, child passenger safety laws seem simple. The state honed in on these rules early 2018, making adjustments. But most people we talked to today didn't know these changes happened.
I already thought it was a law.
The first change to child passenger safety in Nebraska deals with the age of these young travelers. Now, children 8 years old and younger must ride in a federally approved child safety seat. Teresa Ashton thought the rules were determined by a child's size.
We have actually a 9-year-old, but we thought it was a height thing, that you had to stay in the booster until I think it was 59 inches, something like that. That's just what the pediatrician had told us, to make sure we kept him in there till he was at a certain height. And then once he got to that height, he could go out of the booster.
Other changes in the law address the way that car seats face. Children up to age 2 must be seated this way, facing the back of the car.
Children in a rear-facing seat, the seats are more protective of the head, neck, and spine. The younger children, their bones have not even fused yet, so they don't necessarily have all the support from their skeleton that they need in some of these seats.
Some parents we talked to say the rule changes can be hard to track. Jed and Kim Snar have lived across the country and say the child car safety law is something that's different depending on where you live, and it's not always black and white.
Depending on your circumstance, your awareness of the law can take a lot of different ways to meet those personal safety needs.
There is a penalty if you don't meet these new requirements in Nebraska. A violation carries a $25 fine before court costs and 1 point assessed on the driver's record. Reporting live in studio, Alex McClune, 3 News Now.